Kiambote, ngizambote. Yapangizezi kwa kwena. Siya longo ndinga tieto, ndinga kikongo, ndinga etwa kintinu kia Congo dia totela. Welcome. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language spoken in DRC, Congo Republic, Gabon, and Angola. So it's the language of Congo Kingdom. We have our sisters here. They're going to learn. They're very brave. I trust them. Welcome, sisters. Let me just share my screen. Where is my screen? Is there? Okay, we're going back later in 2 minutes. We're going back to the last lesson, just revision. But here we have, you can see my screen.
Yes.
Yes, this is welcome Ngizambote. You could say Ngizilu. I think the easiest one is Ngizambote.
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 Ngizambote. Because you got two A, I mean, A at the end of Giza, Ambote. Just make one A, Ngizambote. That's welcome.
Ngizambote.
Ngizambote.
Ngizambote. Then we go next slide. This is, you know.
Kiambote.
Kiambote. Well done. Kiambote. Let me just read for you. Lusikamene, who is brave? Can you try? Lusikamene.
Lusikamene.
Oh, well done. Wow. As I said last time, Kikongo is an international language. You could say Lusikamene, but to underline, to emphasize, you need to say at the end you put A. Lusikamene. This is good morning. I need to read my notes because it's very important to understand the concept. We don't say good morning in the village, Congo village. The Congo village, we don't say good morning. Our good morning is asking a person, Lusikamene. Give money. I need to read my notes, PowerPoint notes. Otherwise, I would be. Kiambote, Tata David.
Kiambote.
I'm sorry, I forgot to send on you, man. Okay, let me just say hello, welcome. We're going to learn Congo, Kikongo, the language spoken in. I mean, Kikongo is the Congo Kingdom language. It is spoken in Congo, DRC, Congo Brazzaville, and Angola and Gabon. Welcome. We're going to learn, as I said, our brother is here. He's very brave. We had some technical issues. Bear with us, please. I'm sorry. Let me just try to. Okay, we're going back to square one. Restart. We're going to restart. Okay. 1 minute. Tutondele bo mutala una. Kwendu kundako sitalonga ndinga tieto. Ndinga kintinga kongole totila. We're going to square one. Hello, welcome again. Welcome back. We went back to square one. Okay, Tata David. Undevokila, I'm sorry. Okay. Where we? Yeah, we're going back. This is a new lesson. I don't want to. Okay, I think we've been there. Let's just go straight to the lesson. We're going to lesson 3, section 4.
Right.
We're just. Where is my lesson 3, section 4? Yes, let me share my screen. I'm sorry, we didn't have time to to chat in the green room, so too late now.
Hmm.
Anyway, never mind. Yeah, let me just share my screen. Okay, here we are. Okay. Sadly, a man is gone. You know, the Reverend is gone.
Yes, I heard.
Yeah. Okay, let me just go straight to the lesson. We usually read this. Okay. The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some laboratory. Kikongo is an international language. Pronunciation is very important because it can change the meaning of a word. Please mind the long vowels. Kikongo is a tonal language, as we said. Different tones distinguish different meanings. So this is lesson 3, section 4. Let me just go back to the mode. Omono single. So plural nouns, third plural pronoun, and subject prefix. Kewakwe. Remember Kewakwe?
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember? Isn't it so?
Yeah. Kiwakwe. I
Yes.
do remember that. Mm-hmm.
Iwao. You reply Iwao.
Now, when I first logged on, 2 of our sisters were in the group, but I'm not seeing them on screen now.
They were. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think Rachel is not coming. No. Okay. Owana. Remember, Mwana is singular.
Mm-hmm.
One. This is plural. Can you repeat? Let me just try to help. Owana besinga dia. Kewakwe ve. Oya kebesinga dia. Now you. I mean, this is now deep, you know. We're going up now. Tata David, please. Can you read first?
Yeah. Owana besingaja. Kewakwe ve. Oyao kebesingajiako.
Yeah, thank you. The children are going to eat, aren't they? Yes.
Wakento, yes. Wakento besinga lamba. Kewakwe ve. Oyao kebesinga lambako.
Remember, the singular is Nkento.
Kento. So
A.
Okento is the word.
Here, when you have a, this is plural. It becomes plural.
Mhm.
It is plural. Wakento besinga lambe. Remember, Osinga lamba, second person. O.
Mhm.
Besinga first. Osinga. This is plural. Besinga lambe. Owakundi aku besinga vutuka. Besinga vutuka. kiwakwe ve oyau kebesinga vutukako. Let me just try to see the grammar here. Besinga, third plural. This is a verb. Remember aku, the AKU, the suffix. It is the pronoun. I mean, we call it possessive. Ame, aku, andi, third person.
Mhm.
Eto, eno, au. Then we have oyao. This is third, third plural. Of course, they. Owakundia besinga vutuka. Besinga vutuka. Kiwakwe ve. Oyao. Remember, what would have been the third person, plural, singular? Oh yeah, this is plural. Third singular.
Mhm.
Oya Yandi.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yandi.
I have to pull that out and study those again so that I know I have them in memory because right now, yeah, it's difficult for me to recall them.
Well,
But
no,
yes, Oyandi would be singular.
yeah, third
First
singular.
person
Yes.
singular.
Can you try to do it, please? Oakundia
Yes.
kubesinga vutuka.
Wakundia kubesinga vutuka. Kiwaukwe ve. Oyao kebisinga vutuka ko.
Well done. Oya kubesinga vutuka ko. Muntu one. One, two. Many, plural.
Right.
One to besinga vata. Kiwakwe ve. Oyau kibesinga vatako. Please.
Owan to besinga vata.
Kiwakwe.
Kiwaukwe ve. Oyao kebisinga vata ko.
Thank you. Well done. Remember, I mean, in Angola, we use the W or A for plural. I mean A for plural. But on the other side, the DRC, Congo, usually is B, Bantu, B plural. And there's the Zawana, besinga sala, kiwakwe ve oyau kibesinga sala ko. Tata David, please.
And Daisy Zawana besinga sala, kiwaukwe ve oyau kebisinga sala ko.
Remember the long vowel. To
Besinga
state.
sala.
Kiwakwe
ve oyao kebisinga sala ko.
Yeah, thank you. Well done. Because a short vowel is to work. Empumuzama vata besinga vyoka. Kiwakwe ve oyao kibesinga vyoka ko.
Fumuzama vata besinga vyoka. Vyoko kiwaukwe ve oyao kebisinga vyoka ko.
No, thank you, Tondele. Owana. Remember, mwana is one. Many wana. Owana besinga leka. Kiwakwe ve oyau kibesinga leka ko.
Owana besinga ileka. Kiwaukwe ve oyao kebisinga leka ko.
Thank you. 1, 2. Many. So, how do you say one in Kikongo? The one would be?
Muntu.
Well done, omuntu. Owantu besinga vivila. Kiwakwe ve. Oya besinga vivila ko. Please.
Owantu besinga vivila. Kiwakwe ve. Oyao ke besinga vivila ko.
Well done. Emfumo za mavata besinga vova. Kiwakwe ve. Oyao ke besinga vova ko.
Mfumu zamavata besinga vova. Kiwakwe ve. Oyao ke besinga voka ko.
Ke besinga vova ko. Wow.
Okay.
Well done. We're done, you know. It's quick. But let me just go back. Any questions, David?
Yeah, I was moving my chair, so I didn't hear what you just said.
Now, I'm just asking, you have any question?
No, not so far.
Okay. Let me just highlight the grammar, then we should stop. Owana besinga. Let me just put you on the spot now.
Mm-hmm.
This is many. Singular. Can you try one?
Mwana. Mwana besinga leka. Kiwako.
Be is plural. Be is your plural.
Oh,
So
that's
you
right.
send this.
Mwana singaleka.
Osingaleka.
Kiwako,
Ve.
Ve. Oyao ke besinga leka ko. So it would be
Ve.
Yep. Ve is the same, but I'm not sure what the
Yandi.
Yandi. Okay.
Yeah. Singaleka. Okay, I think we go next time. We need to go back to the possessive. Yeah. Okay, well done. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I will print those out. I was having trouble printing some of these things before, but I have replaced my old computer. So this one is doing everything so much better. So I can print out the lessons and study them.
That's good. Thank you very much. Wenda Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Bye.
Papi Salomon, William Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Masuti, Ali Bokuma, Eric Kwayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Agua Kumbu. Philip Kamango. Lemba Masagila. Zotoru Kanu.